Well, today we have all of these free bottles. We're going to see which one is the freaking strongest first. Let's see. I'm going to pick this middle of them from here. Let's check this. Which one? Oh my god! So, that wasn't strong. So that's going to leak. Let's just leave it for now. And now let's check this one. 3, 2, 1. This is not strong. The final one. So, oh, this is. Now let's just. Oh my god, I got myself wet. Oh my god, this is wet. So that's the strongest. Let's see if we can run it. Wait, will I get the bottle flip? Oh my god. Let's see if I can make the bottle flip. Let's see if I can make a bottle flip. Now this bottle is very strong. Now I'm going to continue this later. So let's put this in the recycle. And let's just squish it out while it's leaking. That's so strong. Oh my god, I'm still wet. That's what happened to you. No, I just had to open the cap, I think. Yo! Guess what? Now I put the second one in the bin. And remember, I put the first one in the bin. Let's do until this breaks. It didn't break. How hard is this bottle? Even, do you know, once I bottle flipped it, like, just leaked on the cap. Let me try that. No, let me try one more time. Oh my god! Wow! Wow, that's a very good one! Wow! Look at this right now! Do you know what I was doing when I just threw the bottle in the bin? I was actually trying to bottle flip. It didn't work.